Hello everyone, welcome to C++ tutorial number 2. Today we're going to be discussing comments. So I kind of went over briefly what a comment is in my last video. So basically what a comment is say we're doing like the hashtag include iostream, and then we're using namespace, sorry about that. Using, I can't even spell. Using include standard, and then we do the int main program. We'll be getting into functions later on. Say you were to do this, you could make a comment. This is the main function of the program. You could do something like that. And then you could just do any output you want. So we went over outputs as well. I will do like a separate video for that, I guess. We discussed the hello world program where you just do hello world, and you could do a semicolon, and then you could do return nothing to end the program. Now this is a significant program. This, like I said in the last video, a comment is just kind of something to let you know that let you know where something is, because like sometimes you'll have like a long program, and a comment is pretty good to stay organized. This is a certain type of comment that it will only run on this line per se. You see, comment won't run, but if you have something like this where you do the backslash and then a colon, it'll run on both lines if you want. But this comment is just for this line. Like you can't really you can end it with that, but it won't go to the other line. So this is just like to signify, you say you have like a long program thing, and you have like all these different functions and stuff and variables that are declared in the program, and you get like a little confused on where everything is. You have this to show you this is the main function of the program. So now I'm going to show you something. Let's run this first of all. Now it's in. So as you can see, hello world, it returned. But as you can see, the comment did not show up. Now the thing is, the comments, they're a little useless in the fact that of the program. They don't really affect the program at all. They're just, like I said, kind of there to direct you on where you are. So this is the int main function. Say you have a conversation going on. Say you do cout hello, comma, how are you, question mark, and then you end the line because you want to go to the next line. I never ended that fast. I'm an idiot. I never ended the sentence with the ending quotes. So hello, how are you? I say good. What about you? And then close. Oh no, wrong thing again. And line close. Hello, how are you? Good, what are you doing? Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine, comma, wanna hang out today. And then question mark, and then you do, oh my god, I don't know what, yeah, like I said, I hate this freaking program, or this type of software for sorting, because it doesn't even end the sentence. You have to manually do the quotations. It's stupid. If I want to hang out today, you too, how you should see you later. And then you could do like a little cout thing, saying like end conversation. and then going back to the comments, you could put a comment. No, actually no, you could put a comment inside, and you could be like, I'm gonna do this one because I actually like these comments. Conversation ended. And then, I gotta freaking do it again. I don't know, it's freaking so much. Conversation ended. So now you know the conversation ended. As you can see, if you do the local Windows debugger and show you what happens. Oh, it does. Oh, okay. I made an error. Oh no, I'm an idiot. See, it's the same. I made it the same thing. I thought that was appearing in the output. I got confused. So as you can see, hello, how are you? Good. What are you? What about you? Oh, I can't hear you. Hello, how are you? Good. What about you? I'm fine. Want to hang out today? Yeah, sure. See you later. And then a little thing notifying you that end conversation, or end conversation ended, wherever you want to put it. But that's basically a comment. It doesn't show up in the program, but it will definitely keep you more organized as a coder if you really want to do this as a job or full time. So that's the video. If you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.